Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to change PIN on Roku TV. Let's go. Open App Store or Play Store. Find and install Roku app. Open Roku app. Log into your Roku account. Account info. PIN settings. Change PIN. Enter new PIN. Confirm new PIN. Done. That's it. Now you know how to change PIN on Roku TV. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.